Hey everyone, welcome back to English Buddy, your favorite place to learn natural, everyday English. I'm Steve.
And I'm Nancy. We're so happy you're here with us today. Grab your headphones, relax, and enjoy this episode because we're going to help you speak real English, the kind people use every day. Simple, useful, and easy.
Yeah, no complicated grammar today. No difficult textbook phrases. Just English you can use right after this podcast. Think of us as your English friends talking with you for the next 1 hour.
Exactly. And today we'll show you how to think in English, how to use daily sentences naturally, and how to express yourself without translating from your native language.
Before we start, Nancy, let me ask you, when you were learning English, what was the hardest part?
Honestly, thinking in English. I knew vocabulary, I knew grammar, but my brain always translated from my mother tongue, so every sentence took time.
I think that's the same for most learners. You might know the words, but you pause because your brain is translating everything.
And translation slows you down. It breaks your confidence.
So today, we're going to fix that. Not with grammar lessons, but with real-life sentences. Sentences people use every single day. At home, at work, with friends, everywhere.
Right. And the best part? We'll explain them with small stories, examples, and simple English so you remember them easily.
Let's warm up with super simple daily sentences. Imagine you wake up in the morning. What do you say?
I just woke up. Or, give me a minute. I'm getting ready.
Let's give them some nice, natural morning sentences. I'll say them, you repeat after me in your mind.
And I'll add the situation. Ready?
I didn't sleep well.
Situation. You're tired in the morning.
I slept great.
Situation. You feel fresh.
I need some coffee.
Situation. You're still sleepy.
I'm getting late.
Situation. You're rushing to work or school.
See? These are small sentences, but they're real English, not from a textbook.
And that's how you start thinking in English. Short, simple, quick sentences that match your real life.
Let's talk about confidence. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak. Do you remember your first English conversation, Nancy?
Oh my God, yes. I was so nervous. I said, I'm boring instead of I'm bored. The person laughed, but kindly. Mistakes are normal.
I did something similar once. I was trying to say I'm full after eating food, but I said I'm pregnant by mistake.
No way!
Yes, the whole room laughed. But after that, I never forgot the difference.
See, mistakes help you learn, so don't be afraid. Just speak.
Now, let's give you some daily use sentences to build confidence. Repeat them in your mind.
Can you help me with this? Useful everywhere.
I don't understand. Can you say it again?
Perfect for learning situations.
Give me a moment.
Natural, polite, simple.
That sounds great.
Amazing reaction sentence.
I'm not sure.
If you don't know something.
Use these in any conversation.
Let's move into everyday life. Imagine you're at home with your family.
You can say, I'll be there in a second, or I'm coming.
If someone is talking loudly, can you lower your voice a little?
If you're hungry, you can say, what's for dinner? Or, I'm craving something sweet.
Ooh, I like that one.
I know, you always crave sweets.
That's true. Okay, let's take them outside the house. Imagine you're with friends. People ask you, how was your day?
You can say, it was good. It was okay. Not too bad. I had a long day.
These are simple but natural replies. Don't try to sound complicated.
Exactly. English is about connection, not perfection.
Let's give a mini story with daily English. Something easy.
Sure. Here's a short, simple story using daily sentences. I woke up late today. I rushed to get ready because I had a meeting. I grabbed my coffee and left the house quickly. When I reached the office, my colleague asked, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yeah, just a long morning." During the meeting, I didn't understand something, so I said, "Can you repeat that?" After work, I was so tired. My friend texted me, "Dinner?" I replied, "Give me 10 minutes, I'm on my way." We ate, talked, and I felt better. At night, I said, "I need some rest." And that was my day.
That whole story uses only daily English sentences. Very easy to understand, right?
Yes, and listeners, you can make your own story using the same style. Simple sentences, no long grammar.
Sometimes people ask us, how can I stop translating in my head?
And here's the answer. Use sentences in real situations. Don't memorize. Use them.
For example, when you're thirsty, say in English, I need some water.
If your room is messy, say, "I'll clean it later."
If you're busy, say, I'm doing something right now.
Use small sentences throughout the day. Make English part of your routine.
You don't need big words. Native speakers also use simple English 90% of the time.
True. People think natives speak like the movies, but in real life, natives speak like this. "That's fine. I got it. No problem. Let's go. I'm not sure. We'll see."
Easy, right?
Let's talk about thinking in English. Here's a trick. Look at any object and say one sentence in English about it.
For example, you see your phone. Say, I need to charge it. Or, it's almost dead.
You see your bag. It's heavy today.
You see the sky. It might rain.
These small sentences train your brain to think in English automatically.
Let's teach some polite daily sentences too. These help you sound friendly.
Could you pass me that? Do you have a minute? Do you want some help? That's very kind of you. I appreciate it.
They sound polite and warm.
Let's give more situational sentences. Imagine someone is late.
You can say, no worries. Take your time.
Someone gives you good news.
Say, that's awesome. Or, I'm so happy for you.
Someone gives you bad news.
Say, I'm sorry to hear that. Or, that must be hard.
These are emotional support sentences, simple but powerful.
Let's share another short story with more daily English. Yesterday was a busy day for me. I woke up early because I had a doctor's appointment. When I reached the clinic, I said, I have an appointment at 10. The receptionist said, please wait a moment. After the checkup, I went to a cafe. I told the staff, can I get a coffee to go? The barista smiled and said, sure. Later, my friend called and asked, where are you? I said, I'm on my way. By evening, I was exhausted. When I reached home, I told my family, I need a break. And I slept early.
See? Real-life sentences again. You can use them anywhere.
Let's give listeners some easy conversation starters.
Let's give some easy conversation starters.
What are you doing today? How's everything? Did you eat? What's going on? Any plans for the weekend?
These make conversations natural.
Now, let's teach some small talk, the English everyone uses.
Weather small talk, so common.
It's so hot today. It's freezing outside. It looks like it'll rain. Such a nice day.
Super simple.
Let's give some work-related sentences, too.
I'll send it to you. I'm working on it. I need more time. Let's take a break.
Home-related sentences.
I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm tired. I'll do it later.
Travel sentences. How much is this? Where is the restroom? I need directions. Can you show me?
Let's add some positive daily sentences.
I feel great today. I'm excited. You did a good job. I love this.
And some negative but simple ones.
I'm not feeling well. I'm confused. That doesn't make sense. I'm a little busy.
These help you express yourself clearly.
Before we end today's episode, let's give listeners one final tip.
Yes, and speak English to yourself. You don't need a partner.
Talk about your day. Talk about your feelings. Talk about your plans.
Simple sentences, no pressure,
English becomes easy when you use it, not when you memorize it.
and we're always here to help you.
Thank you for spending this hour with us. We hope you learned a lot and enjoyed this friendly English practice session.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English naturally.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!